Yes. Okay. Good evening, everybody. My name is Komal Kumari. Today I am your moderator. Today we are here to discuss over a very controversial topic. That is, should celebrities be allowed to join politics? Uh, I would like to request everyone to contribute in group discussion and share your views so that we can make this JD a success. Thank you, and please let's start.
Okay, so I would like to start, and in my opinion, the field of films and other fields, the celebrities have a very different kind of expertise than what is needed in politics, and due to their fame and following, they might get elected without really having a proper cause, which will result in less opportunities for the people who actually want to bring about a good change. And I think it is great if a celebrity wants to do something about the issues in our country. And with the amount of money and fame that they have, I would say that they can do much better things without really stepping into politics. And as we live in a democratic country, every citizen has a right to stand in the election. So there cannot be a rule that keeps all the celebrities out of politics. But as the voters, we should think about the country's progress without any bias. We should be taking into account a person's social contribution and the service that they have done for the people instead of how well they have been doing in movies.
I agree with Pragya. According to me, a person who has great knowledge about politics and about our country should be allowed to join politics, whether he is a celebrity or just a common man. It is true that a celebrity has a huge fan base and followers, and he can easily misuse it. But as we all know that with great power comes great responsibility. It is totally up to the celebrity how he uses this power of the huge fan base. And if he uses his power in a good way, then it is really beneficial for our country as well. Moreover, one of the basic agendas of politics is that to attract votes and finally form our government. So using a fan base as a strategy is a good idea, according to me. And there is no harm in celebrities joining politics until they are capable enough to serve the nation. It is better to have someone who is admired by a lot of people, countless number of people, and than an educated person who even holds some criminal records. So this is what I would like to say.
Can I go next?
Okay.
Yeah, आप जाओ आप.
Okay. So, as per my point of view, every citizen of India has the right to join politics, irrespective of their caste, religion, profession, gender, etc. So, a celebrity must be allowed to join politics. And there are many celebrities in India who have joined politics, like Rekha, Shilpa Shinde, Prakash Raj, Poonam Sinha, Sunny Deol, etc. But not all were successful in completing their responsibility or their jobs. They, as per the data that I have collected, it has shown that the celebrities had very less attendance, like 5% or 8%. Apart from that, some of them had high attendance, which shows that they were completing their responsibility and they were actually participating with the people in the parties, and they were really interested in like making a difference in this world by listening to people's problems and making a party out of it. And as celebrities are so famous and they are already familiar with the audience, so they already know them, so they don't have to like familiarize themselves to the people. So it's like they already have a brand value and their voting behavior is usually influenced by it. So they have more we can say power because of the fame they have already earned, and which results in a good like which results in a good party that they can make, and which will be successful. And yes, I think they can misuse their social pull, because as they are so famous and they have a lot of money power in their hands, they already have earned so much money from the Bollywood industry, so they and in the political system we already have like
Stop, Shreya.
amount of money.
Stop. You talk too much. Okay, now Lavish, you go.
Actually, I'm neutral about this topic. Like, if a person, if actor is really having interest in the politics, then he should join. As we know that they have vast following, and so they can influence a lot of people. And as we know that celebrities are very socialized with the fans, so they might be aware about the common problems faced by them. So they can take a better decision due to support of fan base. And as we know that actors are also citizens, so if they want to join the politics, it is their right. Anyone who has desire to serve the nation can be a successful politician. The only thing in politics that required is the commitment and the social awareness that they have. Like several politicians, Gautam Gambhir and who have joined the politics in 2019, has been considered from Punjab, is doing a lot of Sunny Deol that has been joined from Punjab, has been doing a lot of work to protect the farmers. On the other hand, Gautam Gambhir has also joined the politics in 2019 and done a lot of things. He has installed air purifiers and has been successful in providing a lot of PP kits, foods to several people during the COVID situation. And as we know that in today's world, everyone is well aware of the rights and knowledges, and they know the importance of the vote. So they cannot be wrongly influenced by the actors, whether they have a huge fan base or not. And on the other hand, I think that it is not good to allow the actors to enter in the politics, as we know that the politics is a full-time job, not a partial job. So, and many
Stop.
actors make the
Stop.
dirty tricks.
Stop. Are you in against or favor of the topic?
Neutral.
Neutral. Okay. Next, go.
I would like to elaborate a point that Bharat mentioned, which was that following is very important to get elected. And as we have seen, political leaders already try very hard to get a following, to make a vote bank, which ideally should be based on the agenda of the party and the improvements the person wants to make. But in the case of celebrities, the fans that they have instantly become vote banks, regardless of what their actual intentions have been to get to that political positions. And the members in a political party who have worked hard for the party's cause get neglected a lot of times to make place for these famous stars that have entered from an entirely different field. And even and now it has become a trend for celebrities to get into politics when their professional careers start to decline and their fame start to diminish. And even after they get elected, most celebrities don't really attend the parliament and raise much issues, which is one of the most basic things a member of parliament has to do to help their community. That's it.
Yeah, that's true. That most of the that's what I said. It's about perspective. A huge fan base can be used in a good way or in a bad and in a bad way as well. So it depends on celebrity how he uses his fan base. See, he's a great influencer. A celebrity is a great influencer. If he wants to do something for the country, he can easily convince or influence the people of the nation to do that particular thing. So that's how he can actually use his fan base in a better way. But again, it depends on the celebrity. So that's what I want to say.
Like only those actors should be allowed to enter who have a real interest in politics. Like they are well known about the problems in the society, and they from the heart are looking to help the people.
Yeah. And adding to what Pragya said earlier,
I
in her,
think that
yeah, share you go.
go on, Bharat, go on.
Adding to what Pragya said earlier in her first speech, uh, I would like to talk about one of the popular celebrities right now, which is Sonu Sood. It has been almost a year since Sonu Sood has been helping a lot of people during this COVID crisis, and he is in limelight since then. And people on social media are requesting him to be the next to contest elections and to become the next prime minister of India. But I don't completely agree with this because I agree that he is an excellent social worker or an activist or whatever you would like to say, but it does not guarantee that he would be the perfect prime minister of our country, because to become a prime minister there are certain other qualities as well that a person should have. He may become a good prime minister, but it is not guaranteed. So that's what the difference is between a social worker and become a political leader. So celebrities can even work for their nation by stepping out by from outside the politics. That's what I would like to say.
So
I do
I
agree.
wanted to share a point.
Sorry.
I wanted to share a point that as in politics, the people who are elected are usually the people who are there to complete their duty, their responsibility of solving the problems of common people. So, as per my point of view, the celebrities are not much aware about the people's real problems. Like they don't know the uh, problems that where the weaker section of the societies are facing. It's like they are not really aware, as they are like always on the top between the highest levels of people. So they are not much aware about the weaker section of the society. So my point is, they could be a good like they could be good participate, like they can participate in a good way also, but they cannot completely solve other people's problems, which can make an issue in future for some reason.
Yes, Pragya, you said.
Okay, so I was saying that I agree that celebrities can actually do a lot with their status, and it is not true that celebrities cannot become good politicians, but there have been very rare and very few cases in Indian politics. And most importantly, being a celebrity should not be the only criteria to elect someone. And even if a celebrity knows about the problems of the community and the issues, in my opinion, getting associated with a party takes away their expressive freedom to some extent, as they have to align with the party's agendas, which might not be the same as their personal agendas. So helping the community and raising issues can be done in other ways too, and especially when it comes to famous figures, raising awareness through campaigns, NGO work has have had a has had a much better effect than just entering politics. That's it.
Okay. So Bharat, mm, do uh, do you think that the celebrities should do social work, but they should not join politics?
It totally depends on the celebrity, according to me, because these are two different things. Being a social worker and being a political leader, these are absolutely two different things. Because after becoming a political leader, you have to think of your country as well, or a state if you are in a state party or something like that. So you have to think of the state as well, just not of the people. If you are a social worker, then you can think of mm, think in a specific area. For example, if you are working for poor section of the society, then you can help them individual. You can help them private. I mean individually. So that's what the difference between a social worker and a political leader. And it depends on the celebrity. If he wants to join the politics, or he just wants to become a social worker and help other people, just like Sood is doing.
Okay. So Pragya, what do you think that the the celebrities who are joining politics are snatching the opportunities of other people and the young people young people who want to join politics.
Considering the young people, I would say that celebrities are actually helping the young come into parties, as the people that have been working with the parties for long are usually old. But I would say that there are many cases where the limelight goes to the particular celebrity that has been more famous than someone in the party who has worked hard for a long time and should be now getting at a higher position, but then this celebrity just comes in the party with an entirely different view and they have to put him on a higher pedestal because of his fame. So to some extent I would say that yes.
But I think having a celebrity in the parliament or in the politics is better than having an uneducated person with criminal records. I mean, just compare yourself, you will get to know which is one is better. So yeah, uh, it might, it might hide the, it might hide those people who are actually working for the nation, but it will reduce the number of people who are uneducated.
Definitely, I do not agree to people with criminal records entering parties at all. That is definitely worse than the celebrities entering. But then again, just being a celebrity should never be the only criteria for someone entering party. We should look at other types of things that they have done to actually contribute to the society and help the nation.
Okay, there are another criteria for the criminal records. It's another topic. Lavish, what you want to do you want to share something?
On this topic or another topic that you were saying, right?
Yeah, the topic which we are discussing.
Presently,
Yes.
I've discussed all my points on neutral.
Here, do you think that the all celebrities do not have good attendance in the parliament, and there are all celebrities who do not work very good in politics?
Can you repeat
Shreya,
the question, Komal?
I want to say that you said a point that celebrities do not have a very good attendance in the parliament, and even they do not do very good for the society. So I want to know that according to that, are there all celebrities who do that?
According to me, not all celebrities do that. There are many celebrities who have a very good attendance and who actually participate with the parties. For example, the wife of Amitabh Bachchan, her name is Jaya Bachchan, I guess. So I checked about her recent data that her attendance was around 74%, and she had asked like total 451 questions, and she hasn't given any public bill recently, but she has participated in 179 debates, which is like more than the national level. So, according to me, there are many other celebrities also who perform well, who actually contribute to completing their responsibility. Whereas there are some celebrities who just join the political system and then forget that they even participated in it. They are just there like for the sake of being there, but not really. They just have zero attendance. They do not ask any question. They do not participate in any debate. They are just for nothing. So some of them help and complete their responsibility and jobs in the political system, and literally try to make a difference in the world by like making a good government and helping the common people or our society, whereas some of them are not eligible or are not good celebrities or people who can actually contribute in our political system.
Uh, what I think, what I think is, instead of considering the profession of a person, we should be considering his education qualifications, education, and his soft skills and his qualities. Yeah. So because educated people obviously have an upper hand over uneducated people in terms of running a good government. And yeah, but soft skills are also important if because the person's knowledge is futile if he doesn't know how to apply it. And soft skills are basically and application requires the soft skills. So this is what should be the criteria to be of this should be the criteria to join politics instead of looking towards the profession of the person.
We should not
There are
judge too
many
much.
other factors as well that should be considered apart from the profession. Like, is the person like a genuine person? Like, is he real enough to be presented in the political system? Is he using his power to a good extent or a bad extent? Is he not misusing it? We should see to that as well. And we should also check that the person is not over smart. Like, by being, if they are educated, that's a good point. But if they are over educated, like if they use their mind and their smartness so that it leads to misusing it, then that's a wrong thing. So a person should be, like, a person who comes into political system should be chosen on the basis of the intentions that they carry for the world to make a difference in it, and also the kind of education he gets and he has got, and many other factors should be considered while selecting a person to become a member of the parliament or whatever we call it.
And yeah, I think the current youth of the country is quite knowledgeable, and they wouldn't choose Alia Bhatt to be a member of the parliament, even if she is a big celebrity, because obviously she is not eligible. She doesn't deserve to be a political leader. So that's what I think. Being a celebrity is not enough.
Okay, so as Bharat said, the youth is quite knowledgeable, but the country is not being run by the youth currently. And all the factors like education qualifications, the genuinity of a person, all these factors are very important, but they are just as equally hard to judge. So we have to look at some physical things rather than seeing how a person's character has been portrayed. So I would say that when especially when it comes to celebrity, there are all different kinds of people coming into politics these days. It has become a very common profession, but especially focusing on celebrities, because of this huge following they have formed, people don't really see the other aspects and the other qualifications of a person. They just are moved by that one persona they have, they see being portrayed in movies or in other platforms, and they follow that regardless of what the true intention of the celebrity is to come into politics. So that is the again the crowd mentality of our country that people have still not gotten over, and it does affect the person's standing in the political party to a large extent.
Okay, Lavish, uh, do you think that the celebrities do not really raise any particular social issue, and they just want to win the elections?
Like the Shreya rightly said that there are some politicians, celebrities that actively take part in politics, but there are some that are not. For example, the example that I have discussed earlier about Gautam Gambhir, he has been doing raised the very good issues. He's trying to maintain build air purifiers all over Delhi in order to reduce the pollution level. But on the other hand, I have read about few like Hema Malini recently read about her in an interview. She said that. She had done a lot of work, but not like to describe her. So she was just refusing the statement, and she have not raised any particular issue till yet to help the people. So I can from here we can say that some are actively participating and some are not.
So I want to know one more thing, that do you think that celebrities should focus only on their profession? They should not join politics at any point?
Like as we know that politics is a full-time session, not it is not a part-time job. So if an actor is willing to take part in politics, he should leave the acting job and determine his whole career in the politics. He cannot do both the things together, according to me. Like if he is doing acting as well as positive politics, uh, he cannot handle it. He will not able to do. He will not be able to become a successful politician then. But if he totally leave his the profession for the politics, then I guess he can be a good one.
As per me, the celebrities also have a PR, like the public relations. So they maintain a good image of them in front of the people. So from the beginning only, they have had a good image in front of people, whether it be any celebrities. So even if after escaping from the Bollywood industry and they enter into the political system, the people know that yes, this person is nice, this person is nice. It's very difficult to judge whether these celebrities are good people for our country, to help our country grow or not. So that is also a point that should be considered while allowing a celebrity to join the political system.
Anyone wants to say something? No?
I would like to again add to what Lavish said, that if that being in a political party and contributing to the nation in that sense is not a part-time job. But then again, I can understand that celebrities want to contribute to their community and want to work for the society. But there have been many instances where this can be done instead of being a part of the political system. Like there is a lot of community work that can be done, there is a lot of NGO work that can be done, and you can provide resources to a lot of people without actually being in a political party. So that does not really require you to have a second job at all times. And I would say that even if a person is a celebrity, they don't have to have an expertise in just one areas. They have all right to expand their abilities and expand their field of work. So it is not entirely bad that celebrities enter the politics, but again, the trend that has been
Okay,
going
okay,
on in the
okay, okay, okay. You spoke too much.
But if the
Anyone
celebrities
wants to?
want to have a good influence on the people, then they have to join the politics, right? If they want to have an influence in all over India, then the politics is necessary in order to influence large population, according to me.
And we cannot stop a celebrity to join politics because it's a right. It's a right to serve the nation, and they can do in any way they would want to do. So it's not, we cannot stop him to join the politics.
Instead of judging the celebrity or any other political leader, the people should become intelligent. They should know whom they should vote, and they should know the right of their votes and every other thing related to that. First, they should study about the politician leader, it's what he want to do and whether he have done anything in the past or not. And then only if they find it relatable, then they should vote him or her.
It is also the utmost responsibility of every person in this country who is eligible to vote. So they should be smart enough to judge who is right, whether a celebrity or whether a common person or whoever enters into politics. It's our responsibility as well to know whom to vote.
Shreya, can you please repeat?
To not to think from our mind and think smart. Hanji,
Shreya,
what
your
Komal?
voice is breaking. Can you please repeat your point?
I am saying now, is it clear?
Yes.
I am saying that it is also our utmost responsibility to know that for whom we should vote and for whom we should not vote. It is if we will not vote according to, like, we should judge people, irrespective of being them a celebrity or a common person. Even if that's a sports person, we should know that if that person is eligible for making a change in this world, to bringing a solution for our problem, is he, if he can, if he has the real power or the mind, or the strategies to overcome our problems, then we should vote for that person only. It is also our responsibility to choose the right person for our government.
May I add one last point? I completely agree with Shreya, Lavish, and Bharat that we have to judge a person, and it is the people's responsibility to see if the person is qualified enough or not. But that is a problem with our country, and a problem with a lot of people in our country. And I have never agreed to this, that celebrities should not enter into politics completely. It is their right. They can do it if they want to, definitely.
Okay, thank you. Now, thank you for taking part in the GD. Now our GD is finished. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.